Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Tuesday the 9th of August, and today was another fun and interesting day. The market did gap higher and we did grab a couple longs, and then it turned right into a short down in here, and we just were able to ride that down, and we did take a hit. We tried to get short here and took a small hit on that, then switched up long and we're able to ride this, took a short, and a couple more trades in here, some longs, some shorts, and really made for a good day. Assuming you're trading only one contract, you would have had a maximum profit potential on 8 trades of 29 points or 116 ticks. Actual trades with the entries and the exits were 42.25 points or 169 ticks. And when I say we did take that hit, it was a pretty substantial hit. It was definitely a hit, but we definitely did recover from that, and had a decent day. I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by the website, check it out. We're at www.businesswithtrading.com, and every morning I do an analysis of the markets. When I close the rooms, I try to do an analysis of the markets, and try to show and talk about what I'm seeing throughout the day. And it's definitely makes it interesting, and things happen throughout the day, and analysis changes because things happen during the day. And for example, yesterday, things change. You think something's going to happen, and then somebody starts talking, and they say all the wrong things and the market falls apart, or something like that. But anyway, we were looking. When the room closed, I did put on a trade and I did talk about it, and it's not in the results because I only put in the results what happens between 9:30 when the room is open. I mean, obviously we open a little bit before 9:30, but you can't really trade until the market opens at 9:30. So from 9:30 till 12 o'clock, that's all that I look at. But I did call a very nice trade, and I was looking at this area, but the market did come down a little bit more, and it was definitely interesting, and it did pop right back up too. So definitely interesting, but I just wanted to point that out. It did call a pretty decent trade after the room closed, if anybody got in on that. And I was definitely a part of it. I wasn't around to see it until now, but it's definitely pretty fun to get home and hey, that's pretty cool. It worked out. So I don't usually take trades after after the 12 o'clock noon time frame, 12 o'clock New York, if you're not on the East Coast. But I don't take a lot of trades after that. When I do, I usually carefully select them, and like this one, it worked out beautifully. Does that happen every time? Definitely not, but it's definitely fun when it does. Just wanted to talk about that a little bit. We did have a lot of fun today, and hopefully that does carry over for tomorrow. I'd like to thank everyone for watching this video, showing your support. If you do enjoy this video, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Definitely would appreciate that. Hope everyone has an awesome day. I'll see everyone in the morning. Thank you.